everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this pumpkin table decoration, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. Okay guys, I am going to paint my pumpkin white and black stripes. I have decided, I think that's what I want to do, kind of like Madison Child's kind of theme. So I've got my acrylic paint here, just out of frame, but I'm going to start painting this pumpkin. I've never painted one of these before, so I hope it works, and I hope I don't shake you, but the tripod is standing on the table, so let's get started. I'm going to start right where I can see there's these indentations, so that's where I want my paint to go. And this is going to take a while and take some paint. I can see that now. So I will probably maybe fast forward some of this or edit out some of this so you're not here with me the entire time, because this would be a long video. I've got to get down into these little nooks and crannies here in the pumpkin and the styrofoam. So I'll put on some pretty music and just sit back and watch. Okay, now I'm coming around, and I've got, this would be a black. If I do this white, then it's the same as that. So I'm going to cut this piece, this last piece, in half by just doing half of this little section. So it'll be a smaller section of half white and half black. We're going to do it that way. Now I've got one coat on. When I was around the back, this is messed up. That's from the molding of the pumpkin. So I will continue painting it and everything like I'm doing the rest of the pumpkin, just that when I get ready to display it, that'll be in the back. So that means this is the front of my pumpkin. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit, and then I'm going to come back in and paint another coat of white. Then I will come back in and do the black. Okay, got all the white done. I'm not worried about the bottom. It's what sits down, and so I'm not really worried about it. And I'm not worried about the top because the stem's going to get covered. So now I'm going to paint the black sections. My white sections are not dry yet, but not completely dry, but they're okay, I think, to go ahead and continue on. So now I'm going to do the black sections. This up here is going to get covered up, so I'm not as worried about that. I still want to do a good job. I'm not just gonna slap it on, but I'm not worried about it so much. The sides are what's important. And I'm carefully using my brush to get a clean line. After I said that, I had a little mess up. Okay. So just sit back, I'll put on some music and we'll just paint. Okay, my pumpkin is all painted and dry. I didn't worry about the bottom. It did take several coats. I mean, several coats. I really could go do some more, but I'm not going to. I'm not worried about the top because I am going to cover that. So I have all of these picks, these floral picks that I picked up at Dollar Tree. Let me let's get the tags off of these. Get them out of my way. And I am going to, well, that was pretty funny. I'm going to make an arrangement on the pumpkin. There we go. I like to push the leaves up. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Just like when I do my makeup looks, I don't know what I'm doing until I start doing it. So I'm going to cut some of these. I'm going to cut about 3 of these sunflowers. I just think that would look really pretty with that. So I'm thinking sunflowers, maybe push that up. What you doing, puppy? Get a couple of these. Yeah. What I don't use here, I will use somewhere else. Wait on that. And I do want some berries. I think I'm going to wait on that. Let's start with these flowers first. I'm just going to stick them down in the pumpkin. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's see here. Just trying to I'm going to turn this flower that way. And I think here I'm going to stick another sunflower. Like that. Let's get another one of these over here. I don't know. That wants to stand up tall. There, maybe. Not bad. I'm going to put another one of these. Maybe right here. Sunflower out a bit. Pull the sunflower out a bit. I think I want to put the other sunflower up here. There we go. Like that. Those look pretty. Let's get some of these. I want the berries. Berries in the leaves. Probably 3 of these. Which is what I got here. there. One here. And one here. Just around. There we go. Bring that. That's the back side. That's where my boo-boo is. So, let's see. I'm going to pull this out a little bit. A little higher. Now, I think I'm going to take some of this. Let me see how it's in here. First, I'm going to cut this off. Okay, let me find my front before I get going. That's my back. This is my front I'm looking at. That's my front. Or, let's see. I think this will be my front. This is my front. I'm going to pull that red out a little bit more so you can see it. I think that's good. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. Here. Good. Let's see here. This that is just greenery here. I mean, whatever this is. There we are. I need one more leaf. Let me grab another one. Need one more. So you want an odd number. When you're doing an arrangement, usually, unless you're doing identical, like bookends, if you're doing an arrangement, you want an odd number. It just looks better. 3s and 5s. So that's what I'm going for. So I have 4 and I need one more, and I think I'm gonna put it off to the side here. All right, there we go. So guys, what do you think? I'm loving it. And somehow I got the bad side on the front. Here. No, this is it. This is the front, right here. There we go. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.